Hi, my dear students. Good morning to all. Welcome back to Maths online class. How are you all? Hope all are safe and healthy at home. So, we can enter to today's session. Let's see what is today's topic. Today, we are solving some word problems on fractions, that is, comparison of fraction, addition of fractions, and subtraction of fractions. Based on this concept, we can solve some word problems. First question. Sarida bought 2 by 3 meter, 2 by 5 meter of ribbon and Lelita 3 by 4 meter of ribbon. What is the total length of the ribbon they bought? So here what all things are given in the question. Sarida and Lelita bought some length of the ribbon. What is the total length of the ribbon they bought? So total means what we have to find here? Yes, we have to add. So let us see what all things are given. So length of ribbon bought by Zarida is 2 by 5 meter. And length of ribbon bought by Lilida is 3 by 4 meter. Now what is the length of the ribbon bought by Sarida and Lilida? We are adding 2 by 5 and 3 by 4. Since they are unlike fractions, we cannot add it directly. So what we have to do? We need to convert it into like fractions. For converting to like fractions, we are finding the LCM. So what are the denominators here? 5 and 4. So what will be the LCM? Their product. 5 into 4, 20. So the first fraction you are multiplying with 4 and second fraction you are multiplying with 5. Isn't it? So what will we get the new fractions? So 2 by 5 we are multiplying with 4. What you are getting? 2 into 4 by 5 into 4. Second, 3 by 4 we are multiplying with 5. That is 3 into 5 by 4 into 5. So what is 2 into 4? 8. And what is 3 into 5? 15. So the denominator is the LCM 20. So we got 8 by 20 and 15 by 20 which are like fractions. So we can add it directly. So what we are adding? Numerators only we are adding. What is the numerators? 8 and 15. So what is 8 plus 15? 8 plus 15 is 23. So what is the length of the ribbon bought by them? 23 by 20. Next question. Nandini's house is 9 by 10 kilometer from her school. She walked some distance and then took a bus for half kilometer to reach the school. How far did she walk? So what all things are given? The distance between Nandini's house and the school is given. What is it? 9 by 10 kilometer. For some distance she walked. That distance is not given. After that she took a bus. And how much distance she travelled in bus? 1 by 2 kilometers. So the question is, how far did she walk? The distance she walked, that we have to find. So we know the total distance. What is the total distance? 9 by 10, isn't it? So the total distance from house to school is 9 by 10 kilometer. Distance travelled by Nandini by bus is how much? 1 by 2 kilometer. So what will be the distance by her foot? 9 by 10 minus 1 by 2. Isn't it? The total distance minus the distance she travelled by bus. Now, when you look the fractions, they are unlike fractions. So, we need to convert it into like fractions. By how? By finding the LCM of the denominators. What are the denominators here? 10 and 2. Now, what will be the LCM of 10 and 2? It is 10 itself. Because 10 and 2 are having common factors. So, the LCM will be 10 itself. Now, the first fraction is having already the denominator 10. What is the second fraction? 1 by 2. The denominator is 2, isn't it? So, 2 into what is 10? 2 into 5. So, the second fraction we are multiplying with 5 in order to make the denominator 10. First fraction we are multiplying with 1 itself. So, what does the new fractions? 9 by 10 and 5 by 10, isn't it? 1 into 5 is 5, 2 into 5 is 10. So, 9 by 10 minus 5 by 10. Now, we converted into like fractions, so we can subtract. What we subtract? The numerators. 9 minus 5. What is 9 minus 5? 4 by 10. Now, 4 and 10 are having what? Common factors, isn't it? So, what is a common factor in that? 2 is a common factor. Now, when you are reducing to the simplest form, what is that? 2 by 5. So, what distance she walked on her foot? 2 by 5 kilometer. Next question. Jaydev takes 1 by 5 minutes to walk across the school ground. Rahul takes 7 by 4 minutes to do the same. Who takes less time and by what fraction? So what is given here? Jaydev take 1 by 5 minutes to walk across the ground, means the time taken by Jaydev to cross the ground and time taken by Rahul to cross the ground is given. Where the question is who takes less time, that means we have to compare these two fractions. So Jaydev take 1 by 5 minutes and Rahul takes 7 by 4 minutes, isn't it? 7 by 4 minutes he take. Now what we have to do, we have to compare. So first, for comparing, I am converting this mixed fraction into improper fraction. So 1 by 5 means what? 2 plus 1 by 5, isn't it? Or how to convert a mixed fraction into improper fraction. How you are converting? You will multiply 2 into 5 plus 1, isn't it? See, this same method they are using in another way. We know the conversion of mixed fraction into improper fraction. The same procedure they are doing by the method of addition, isn't it? That 2 1 by 5 they are splitting and writing 2 plus 1 by 5. Then by finding the LCM they are adding and getting. The same answer we will get once when we are converting to the mixed fraction. Just check what is 2 into 5. 2 into 5 is 10. 10 plus 1 is 11. That itself is here, isn't it? So this method is same here. You can follow any method. They are converting to mixed improper fraction. So that 2 1 by 5 they converted to 11 by 5 and the other fraction is 7 by 4. So the two fractions are 11 by 5 and 7 by 4. Now for comparing we have to convert it into like fractions. It is not like fractions, isn't it? So we are finding the LCM and converting to what? Like fraction. So what will be the LCM here? Here 5 and 4 means the LCM will be 20. So the first fraction we are multiplying with 4 and second fraction we are multiplying with 5. So what you are getting? 11 into 4 by 5 into 4 and 7 into 5 by 4 into 5. So what is 11 into 4? 44. 5 into 4 20. 7 into 5 is 35 and 4 into 5 is 20. Now here what is 44 by 20? The time taken by Jayadev, and 35 by 20 is the time taken by whom? Rahul. So who takes less time? So the time taken to cover the same distance by Rahul is less than that of Jaydev. That means Rahul takes less time than Jaydev. So Rahul takes less time. Next question. Asha and Samuel have bookshelves of the same size, partly filled with the books. Asha's shelf is 5 by 6 full and Samuel's shelf is 2 by 5 full. Whose bookshelf is more full by what fraction? That means Asha and Samuel are having bookshelves and the portion filled by the books is also given. So Asha's 5 by 6 portion is filled and Samuel's 2 by 5 shelf portion is filled. We want to compare who is having more portion of books. For that we have to find or compare these two fractions. So Asha's shelf is 5 by 6 and Samuel's shelf is 2 by 5, isn't it? Now for comparing, these fractions are unlike. And what we have to do? We have to convert it into like fraction. For that we are finding the LCM of 6 and 5. What is LCM of 6 and 5? 30 is the LCM. Now the first fraction 5 by 6 we are multiplying with 5. Now what? 5 into 5 25, 6 into 5 30. Second fraction is having denominator 5, so we have to multiply that fraction with 6. That is 2 by 5 into 6 by 5 into 6. So what is 2 into 6? 12. 5 into 6 is 30. Now we converted both the fractions into what? Like fractions. What are they? 25 by 30 and 12 by 30. Now they are having same denominators, so we can compare by the numerators. Here 25 and 12. So 25 is greater than 12, isn't it? So which fraction is greater? 5 by 6 is greater than 2 by 5. Who is having 5 by 6? Asha is having, isn't it? So Asha's portion is more than Samuel. And also one more question is by what fraction? By how much it is more? So how will you find that by more how much? For that we are subtracting the portion of Samuel from portion of Asha. So what is the portion of Asha? 25 by 30. And what is the portion of Samuel? 12 by 30. So we can subtract it here because already we have converted into like fractions for comparing. So the same we can subtract, isn't it? They are in like fractions. So 25 minus 12, what you have? 13. So 13 by 30. So that much fraction is more. Whose? Asha's. Asha's self is more than Samuel by 13 by 30. So in this way, when you are getting a word problem, read it carefully, analyze what all things are given, and you have to solve the question by what is asked in that. That means if it is for addition, you have to add the fractions. If it is for subtraction, you have to subtract. Or if it is for comparing, you have to compare. For that, read the question carefully and analyze it and then solve. In word problems, writing of steps is very necessary. Then only you will get the full mark. So, word problem is complete when all the steps are written in proper way. So that's all for today. Hope all of you understood today's class. Try to work out more problems on the concept we learned today. Copy down the notes given and attend the test paper. We'll meet with the next concept in the next video. Thank you.